Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send USDT from Kraken to another wallet. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Kraken app on your device and log into your account. Once you are inside the app, go to the portfolio section located at the bottom of the screen. After opening the portfolio, scroll down a little until you find the cash and stablecoins section. In this section, you will see your USDT listed among your assets if you have. Tap on USDT to open it. Once you open the USDT page, you will see options related to your balance. Under the balance section, there will be two main options, deposit and withdraw. Since you want to send USDT to another wallet, you need to tap on withdraw. After tapping withdraw, the next step is to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Kraken usually shows the minimum withdrawal amount on the screen. For example, it may show something like a minimum withdrawal of around 2 USDT. Next, you will need to choose the network for the transfer. One commonly used option is the Tron network, which is popular because it usually has lower transaction fees and is supported by many platforms and wallets. Select the Tron network from the available options. After selecting the network, you will need to add the withdrawal address of the wallet where you want to send the USDT. If you have already added a withdrawal address before, you can simply select it from the saved addresses. If not, you can tap on Add Withdrawal Address and then paste the wallet address of the receiving wallet. Make sure the address matches the selected network to avoid losing your funds. Once the address is added and the amount is entered, tap the arrow or continue button to move forward. After confirming everything is correct, complete the withdrawal process. And that's it. So that's basically how you can send USDT from Kraken to another wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.